Hey guys, this is Dr. Fastlane. How's it going? Here I am today to get my Lamborghini Murcielago detailed. You can see it here. It's the green one. I love it. This was my first exotic that I bought in 2014. No regrets whatsoever. Beautiful car. Lime green called Ethica Verde. And we had a dust storm 3 days ago, and all my cars in the garage are dusty like anything, and I just can't stand it because, first of all, this is a convertible roadster, you can see, and there's a thick layer of dust on it. You can see up close, just bothering me a lot. So I called my friend who details cars, and he said, yeah, bring it over, and he will be detailing it for me today so that I can take it back. And these cars are treated like queen in my garage, and they are not less than a queen either. So if you're a car lover, you know that your cars are your babies, and you just can't stand them when they're dirty. See you in a moment with a car wash. This is Dr. Fastlane. My Lamborghini has been being detailed by Grayson. He's my friend. Does an awesome job cleaning cars. We had a dust storm recently, and all the cars are dusty like anything. So we put the car in, and then now it's time to dry it up and then do a wax. As you can see, the color looks different when it's in the garage. When there's a little bit darker, it looks a little bit more darker green than when it's in the sun, which it makes it a little more lighter green. Lime green, Ethica Verde, that's what the original color's name is. Verde means green in Spanish. So that's the interior, guys. We removed the plastic covers from there, so now this needs to be detailed too because there's a lot of dust on it, and I just couldn't stand it. It was just bugging the heck out of me. As I said earlier, we had a dust storm pretty bad one 3 days ago, and it was like, you know, nothing like seen before. Let me show you the engine here. So this is what I did. It was a black cage that keeps the engine from twisting. So we took it out and painted it an Italian flag, red, white, and green, and put it back in. Love it. Put Lamborghini decal up here and all that. New jacket, you can see the Lamborghini logo. I put my embroidered name on it, Dr. Fastlane. I love it. The cuffs has Lamborghini on it. You can see that. I love that too. Because for me, if you have a supercar, you gotta get everything for that car. A watch, shoes, jackets, wallet, everything. That's how I love supercars. So now he is there fixing, or you're doing the rims?
Yeah.
Okay, look at that. So you use the glass cleaner on it?
Yeah, glass cleaner works really good on
Rims?
everything as long as you have a clean tank.
Takes away all the spots, huh?
Yeah.
Hard water spots too?
Yes.
Look at that. The engine looks clean. As I said, we don't want to spray wash it, or like with a power washer, it will mess it up. A lot of fine wires everywhere. That's the back engine cover. Let's see that. Nice job, Grayson. This is all mirror. Waxing time. The moment of truth, guys. The car is done. Grayson has done a meticulous job. You can see the green beast is ready to go. Love it. Highly recommend this guy. He did the interior, the vacuum, the wax, all 9 yards. The rims, everything. Okay, Grayson. Thanks a lot, man.
What's up?
Let me just.
Oh.
So this is him. That's the man to go to. I highly recommend him. Did an awesome job. All right, buddy.
All right.
See you next time. He will be detailing my Aventador tomorrow. It's all dusty, as I said. I can't stand it.
The whole collection.
Whole collection. So, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the fast lane.